Chiliz value equivalent to 2.24 rands a coin. The present cost range 2.1855 to 2.73. The earlier day close 2.642. The change was 0.438, 193%. Converse rate ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at 370 rands. Exorbitant cost 459, while low cost 370. They found the middle value of cost 407. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 429. Change for August 15.9%. Chiliz gauge for September 2024. In the first place, cost at 429 rands. Exorbitant cost 533, while low cost 429. They found the middle value of cost 472. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 498. Change for September 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 498 rands. Excessive cost 587, while low cost 498. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 533. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 549. Change for October 10.2%. Chiliz estimate for November 2024. To start with cost at 549 rands. Exorbitant cost 624, while low cost 542. They found the middle value of cost 575. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 583. Change for November 6.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at 583 rands. Exorbitant cost 641, while low cost 557. They found the middle value of cost 595. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 599. Change for December 27%. Chiliz figure for January 2025. Initially cost at 599 rands. Excessive cost 652, while low cost 566. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 607. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 609. Change for January 17%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at 609 rands. Excessive cost 633, while low cost 551. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 596. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 592. Change for February 28%. Chiliz gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 592 rands. Exorbitant cost 643, while low cost 559. They found the middle value of cost 599. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 601. Change for spring 15%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place, cost at 601 rands. Exorbitant cost 653, while low cost 567. They found the middle value of cost 608. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 610. Change for April 15%. Chiliz gauge for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 610 rands. Excessive cost 705, while low cost 610. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 646. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 659. Change for May 8%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2025. To start with cost at 659 rands. Exorbitant cost 659, while low cost 545. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 612. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 586. Change for June 11.1%. Chiliz figure for July 2025. Initially cost at 586 rands. Excessive cost 649, while low cost 565. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 602. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 607. Change for July 36%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2025. Initially cost at 607 rands. Excessive cost 753, while low cost 607. They found the middle value of cost 668. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 704. Change for August 16%. Chiliz gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 704 rands. Exorbitant cost 765, while low cost 665. They found the middle value of cost 712. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 715. Change for September 16%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 715 rands. Exorbitant cost 777, while low cost 675. They found the middle value of cost 723. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 7.26, change for October 1.5%. Chiliz gauge for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 7.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.37, while low cost 6.41. They found the middle value of cost 6.98. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 6.89, change for November 5.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 6.89 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.46, while low cost 6.89. They found the middle value of cost 7.54. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 7.91, change for December 14.8%. Chiliz gauge for January 2026. To start with, cost at 7.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.82, while low cost 7.91. They found the middle value of cost 8.71. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 9.18, change for January 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2026. To start with, cost at 9.18 rands. Excessive cost 11.40, while low cost 9.18. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.10. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 10.65, change for February 16%. Chiliz figure for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 10.65 rands. Excessive cost 11.58, while low cost 10.06. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.78. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 10.82, change for spring 1.6%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at 10.82 rands. Excessive cost 11.76, while low cost 10.22. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.95. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 10.99, change for April 1.6%. Chiliz conjecture for May 2026. Before all else, cost at 10.99 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.95, while low cost 10.39. They found the middle value of cost 11.13. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 11.17, change for May 1.6%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place, cost at 11.17 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.87, while low cost 11.17. They found the middle value of cost 12.29. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 12.96, change for June 16%. Chiliz gauge for July 2026. In the first place, cost at 12.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.43, while low cost 12.55. They found the middle value of cost 13.36. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 13.49, change for July 4.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2026. In the first place, cost at 13.49 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.67, while low cost 12.75. They found the middle value of cost 13.66.